because functionally I changed. I realized I need to change. I found the two to change. Right, so going back here. It's meeting for extrovert. Talk, 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 talk. Introvert. Ting, 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 ting. It is for everyone. For introvert or for extrovert. You don't know what profile of the people in the meeting. More introvert, more extrovert, you will see as the meeting go on. So it's not for extrovert. Introvert need to speak, that's my point. You can think, but speak. When to speak? Speak early. Why? If from here I go clockwise until you're the last one. Unfortunately, if I go this way, the person said A as a point, B and C. Come to you, nothing to say. Actually, I have the same question as the person, or the same point as A. Are you very prominent in the meeting, especially with management? You're not, right? So if your preparateness in terms of facts question, you are the first few to speak. It shows your preparation. It shows that you're innovating. It shows that you are engaged. Don't wait until the last person talking you. Don't wait until the last person. Actually, I want to speak. He take over my point already lah. Cannot repeat. So the first one to speak, very important. So we talk about how to handle conflict in the business meeting.